Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys in my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show guys oppo mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to turn on oppo mobile call ID announcement setting. Friends, you want to on oppo mobile call ID announcement setting. So friends, now let's see how to use oppo mobile call ID announcement setting one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, in your oppo mobile you want to use call ID announcement setting. Open your device phone call setting. After turning on phone call setting friends, you can see this type interface in your oppo mobile. Friends, in your oppo mobile, how to turn on call ID announcement setting. Friends, click here right side three dot, click here setting option. After turn on phone call setting, block number you want to check, so you can check block number. You have blocked any contact number, so friends you can unblock number. Sound and vibration setting you want to on, so you can on sound and vibration setting. You can adjust your device volume, ringtone volume, notification volume, alarm volume. You can adjust and you can use in your oppo mobile. Quick response setting you can use. If you click here, so you can use your quick response setting. Advanced setting you can use caller ID announcement setting. Announce caller ID, click here always option, and you can enable, you can set your call ID announcement setting in oppo mobile, and you can use the number, the caller name and number will be read out for incoming calls in oppo mobile. So friends, call ID announcement setting you want to use, so you can on oppo mobile call ID announcement setting you can enable, you can use. So when call will come, your call will announce. And if you click here always option setting, and if you click here never option, you cannot use announce caller ID setting. Your call ID will not announce in your oppo mobile. You want to use always option, click here, you can use. You don't want to use never option, call ID announcement setting is off. Flip to silent setting you want to on, flip to silent setting you want to use, so you can use flip to silent setting to silence an incoming call. Place your phone face down on a flat surface and you can use flip to silent setting in oppo mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.